Alright, let's get right into this video. Ain't no wasted time. So today I'm going to show you guys how I'm doing this 2 colorway that I seen on Instagram and just decided to do. The first thing you're going to want to do is part off the frontal from the back, because they're going to be 2 different colors. So you see me here, I'm parting from the top first, and then I'm going to make my way down. So for the bottom color, I used Ion Color Brilliance in the color Medium Intense Red. So what I did was basically I parted it, and now I'm just making sure I get every little strand. Like literally you have to get every, because it's 613, so if you miss it, it's gonna be very easy to tell. But yeah, as you can see, I'm saturating it. I use the brush and my hands. Like I just alternate. I use the brush for like the top, and then for the bottom I just use my hands and just saturate everything. I'm gonna go ahead and just move my way up with the medium intense red before I get to using the actual red color. So as y'all can see, I only went halfway up through the wig with the medium intense red, and as I'm finishing, all I did was just take it all together and twist it. So now what I'm going to do is go change my gloves and start on the red. I will be using the Ion Color Brilliance in the color red, the permanent version, and I also put aluminum foil on top of the medium intense part, just so the red wouldn't mess with it, you know what I'm saying? Basically it's just the same process. All I do is just part it and saturate it with my hands. One thing I could say though, I feel like I used a lot of red. I really wanted to use more of the medium intense red, but it's all about preference. If you want more of the darker color, I suggest you just do the whole back, the dark color, and then just put red in parts of the frontal. But now I am going to part the hairline, because the hairline is going to be the darkest color, and then the rest of the frontal is going to be red. After I do that, I'm going to part off the back and use a comb to start with the roots. I feel like a comb is very, very, very effective. Like it gets the job done, especially if you don't want to get dye on your lace. I'm not saying go too crazy with it, like don't have a heavy hand, but it's way, way easier to manage than like a brush or something. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the other side of the frontal. Start with the comb, then the roots, and just saturate it. And then after that, I'm going to move on to the hairline with the medium intense red. So we're almost to the end. Right now I'm just going to go in and do the same thing with the hairline. What I do recommend that you guys do is put aluminum foil on the red so the colors won't mix. I didn't do it simply because I ran out. But yeah, I recommend that you do that. Please be careful with the lace. Just don't be so heavy-handed with it, okay? And then it will turn out fine. After 2 long hours, I was finally done, and this is what the hair looked like while it was wet after washing it. And this is what it looks like blow dried. I flat ironed it also, and then I went ahead and styled it, curled it, just for the pictures, just for the content. So here is how the hair looked after. As you can see, the lace was not dyed at all. I just want to say thank you for staying and watching my video. I hope this helped you out. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.